Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this video of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how to create a character on Character AI. I will be showing you this process in PC. So you can do this either in your PC or in your laptop. So basically Character AI is a trained, massive, large model language that has been trained on a massive database powered Character AI. Character AI can learn from its interaction with the user, allowing it to increase its capacity to write text over time. For you to create your character, first thing is you need to create your Character AI account. So click open a new tab, and there on the search bar you need to type in beta.character.ai and press enter. This will open the official webpage of Character AI where you can create an account. As you can see, I have already created my account. I will directly show you how you can create a character. So first thing is you sign up and then have an account. Then once you're at this section or this screen on your page, what you need to do over here is click on create over here on the left side of the menu bar. You click on that. This will give you two options: create a character, create a room. From there you need to choose the option create a character. Click that. Now first thing you need to do is you need to provide the name of the character. That means you need to provide first name and last name. Type in the details. Then in the second you need to create a greeting for your character. This is what your character will say when they first start chatting with someone. Then in the third you have toggle image generation. This character generates image alongside text. If you want this feature, you click on enable image generation for this creator character, or you can just leave it empty. Then on the fourth you need to choose a visibility level for your character. You have the option of making your character public, private and unlisted. In public, anyone can come and chat with you. In unlisted, anyone with the link can chat. And in private, only you can chat with other people. At the end, you need to upload a avatar for your character. This is a optional. You can either provide or you can create image over here. When you select the create image option, you must provide a prompt for the image you want to create. So you just type in the details. So I'm just going to type this and then you click on create. Now once you're done with this, you can click on set avatar. Click that. Once all that is done, you need to go and click on create and chat. You just click on that. Your character has now been created and you can start chatting with them. So this is a way how you can create a character on Character AI. The Character AI enables the creation of unique digital personalities. It has multiple participation and allows interaction with user and other AI bots as well. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.